Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I decided to just sit down and play around with some makeup and kind of just beat my face. So yeah, that is exactly what I did. I didn't really know what direction this video was going in, but I just kind of wanted to sit down and play around. So that is what happened. Also, side note, I did use the Jaclyn Hill collaboration with Morphe palette in this video, and I'm actually going to be giving one away. So I decided to do a little giveaway, and how to enter that giveaway is be sure to subscribe to my channel down below, follow me on Instagram, and like the video that will be going along with this video. You will see that posted before this video goes up, I think. Yeah, I will be giving away a Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. It is brand spanking new. It's all in the packaging and all that good-ish. And yeah, so if you guys want to be a part of that or enter the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe, follow me on Insta, like my Instagram video, and tag 3 friends in the comment section of that video. Without further ado, if you're curious in seeing how I created this look right here, then please just keep on watching. To prep my face, I'm using my Tatcha water cream and the Urban Decay Quick Fix. For primer, I'm going to be using my favorite Hourglass Veil primer. This stuff is absolutely incredible. I highly recommend it, and it's honestly amazing. I'm completely obsessed with it. And now I'm going to use a concealer that I honestly hate, but I'm going to use the NARS Paint Pot kind of concealer in Creme Brûlée. And the reason I'm using this to kind of carve out my eyebrows and prep my eyes is because it's way too drying for me to actually use it on my face. So yeah, I'm just going to set that into place. And for my eyes, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And the first color I'm going to go in with is Creamsicle. It's kind of like a vomity color. And I'm just going to pack that up and keep it going for quite a bit. Now I'm going to take Silk Cream and Puder and kind of mix those two together and blend it into my crease. To add some depth to my crease, I'm taking Jazz and kind of just blending that out, making sure everything looks really seamless. And then I'm taking my E27 from Morphe and making sure everything's blended together. And again, going in with Jazz and Roxanne and using a very, very, very light hand because we want to make sure that we build the product and make sure it doesn't look really awkward and not blended. So I'm just repeating these steps, going kind of back and forth. Now I'm going back in with Creamsicle and just kind of blending all the colors together using this color. Again, it's kind of like a vomity color and it works really well for blending. And then for all over my lid, I'm using Jazz all over the lid, and then I'm going to be taking a E27 brush again and making sure it's all blended out. And for the outer corner, I'm taking Chip and just kind of putting this on at an angle. And now I'm setting my brush with some setting spray and taking Smoky But Natural and Obsessed on my eyelids. And I decided to put my winged liner on and my lashes on off camera because it's just too much pressure on camera. So now I'm taking my Dior Airflash foundation and just spritzing that all over my face and not forgetting my neck, and then I'm blending it out with my IT Cosmetics brush. To make sure my foundation doesn't look cakey, I'm going to be taking my beauty blender and just kind of picking up some excess foundation. I finally got my act together and got a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I know, it's been long overdue, but I finally got it. And I actually really enjoy it. The only thing that's kind of different with this concealer is it is so heavy that I do tend to use a significantly less amount of product to avoid looking completely caked, but I do really enjoy the matte finish that it has. To blend this out, I always use a beauty blender because it is the only thing that doesn't actually make me look completely cake-faced, which obviously I want to avoid at all costs. And to set that into place, I'm using my Coty Airspun powder. To contour today, I'm going to be taking the first shade in the Shade and Light palette, and this is kind of like a cooler toned contour shade, and I've actually been using this a lot more recently because it looks a lot more natural on me, which I didn't realize until recently, so I'm kind of glad that I found that out because it wasn't looking good before. And to bronze that up, I am going in with my favorite, the tried and true Chocolate Soleil bronzer from Too Faced. It is in the shade Medium Deep, and I basically could not live without this product. It is hands down my favorite. And now I'm just going to be wiping that bakage off and getting all ready to go. To clean up my contour, I'm going in with the same Airspun powder and just drawing a little line from the top of my ears to my mouth. I don't know why I put that in my mouth. And this is just going to clean up the bakage. For my underline, I am taking Puder and just buffing that out. And now to take off my bakage, I'm just using a big fluffy brush. For blush today, I'm going to be using Orgasm and just kind of dusting that on the tips of my cheeks and blending it out into my bronzer. And now I'm just taking a Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel to set these suckers in place. And on my lips, I'm using Velvet Teddy. This is probably one of my favorite lip shades. And yeah, I really, really like it, as I really, really like all of my products. I say that way too much. Let's be honest. I just actually bought this, and this is the Morphe Mist and Set Spray. I think that's the name. I'm not entirely sure. But this is the most fine mister ever. I honestly just want to drench myself in it all the time. And it smells really nice too. Now I gotta let my hair down so I can look cute. Look at me. I look bomb. Get it, girl. Get it. And yeah, that is the final look. Alrighty guys, that is it. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new, be sure to subscribe to my channel down below and give this video a thumbs up, letting me know that you liked the content and all that ish. Also, if you want to enter the giveaway, be sure to follow the steps. I will have them in the description bar down below so you can know exactly what to do and exactly how to enter for that. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!